you finish cleaning your missing data from the previous video, everything looks good. Then you notice it. Duplicate rows. The same data appearing multiple times. And if you don't fix it, your analysis totals reports everything can be all wrong. Now let's clean that using Python inside Excel. Hello, welcome back to Prompt and Process, where we upskill with confidence one tool at a time. Today we are going to be looking into duplicate data and see how we can remove it using Python inside Excel. Let's get started. Here's our data set from our previous video. I want to be consistent with the data set. Okay, so we have our names, row, sales, region, product, and month. But if you look closely, you're going to notice that some rows are repeated. Now, this happens all the time. So first, let's bring this data into Python. So we come to Formulas tab, and then we insert Python. Okay. Now, when we do that, we write our data frame df equal, then we load the range we are going to be using, and that's A1 through to E16. Then we commit, Control Enter, and it works as magic. Here we have our data frame. Okay, so if you just highlight it or click inside here, you will see your data frame as it is. This is the first step. Now, the second step is to, now that we are working with data frame, which makes duplicate detection really easy, we are going to check which rows are duplicates. Okay, so we'll come here. Let's use H4. Then we insert our Python once more. Then we are going to do data frame df.duplicate. Okay, duplicate, duplicated rather. Okay, and we are going to put our parentheses, after which you commit, Control Enter. Now this is what we have. When we click on this, you see anywhere you see false means that there are no duplicates, but you can, so here we have it. Anywhere you see true, that means Python found a duplicate row there. How many duplicates do you think we have here? 3, because we have 12, 13, 14. They are duplicates. So we already know that we have 3 duplicates in this data set. But just in case you have a huge data set and you want to count how many duplicates you have, then you can do this. You come to, you insert your Python, then in the Formulas tab, you can go ahead and write this. I'm just going to paste it. Okay, df.duplicated, your parentheses open and close, dot sum, then your parentheses, you can commit this, Control Enter. Then Python works as magic, and what just happened. You have it. 3. It will just show you that there are 3 duplicates here. Okay? It renders just like that. Now we know how many duplicates we have. We are going to go ahead and remove them. So we'll come right here. We click on this cell. Then we insert our Python. Then I'm going to go ahead and paste the formula, which is DataFrame equal DataFrame dot drop duplicates. Okay. Now I'm going to commit it, Control Enter, wait for it to work its magic, and there we have it. So if I click inside here, I'll see that the duplicates are gone. Before there were 16, but now it's down to 11. Okay. If I right click here and I click on Excel value, it will bring it out for me. So there is no more duplicate data. They are all gone. Okay. Now, the function we use is called drop underscore duplicate. It scans the data frame, finds repeated rows, and only keeps one copy. Okay. Duplicate data can seriously affect your analysis. It can inflate totals, distort reports, and create inaccurate results. So cleaning your duplicates is one of the most important steps in preparing reliable data. Thank you for staying with me till the end of this video. Now in our next video, we'll fix one of the most frustrating problems in Excel: broken date formats. If you're learning Python in Excel, please subscribe to Prompting Process. One tool, one prompt, one process at a time. And please share your comments so that I can know what you think about this video. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.